Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Sephora Play.
Yay! We're doing back-to-back videos with our giveaway videos, so we'll probably post them in the same day. Hopefully you'll watch both. And thank you for being patient with us during Kim's sickness when she was not feeling good and we were like holding off the giveaway. I think one person we were kind of like talking to, we let them know that, but I don't know if the rest of you guys knew that she was like not feeling good and that's why we pushed off the giveaway.
Yeah.
But now it's over with.
But now, somewhat better anyway.
At least the video's over with is what I mean.
Okay, so, well, I don't know. Do I usually show this or you show this or I don't know. Or you'll read it off of?
Yeah.
I know it's funny because the bag always comes open. Like, I think it always comes open. But anyway, it comes in a little bag.
It says the anatomy of a beauty lover's heart, which I thought was cute.
So what are you waiting for? Open me. I don't know if I showed that too quick.
To the Sephora purchase that started it all. It's a first we'll never forget. It says this spot is dedicated to our perfect makeup match. We feel complete, and here's the fragrances that hold a special place in our hearts. They'll forever be our ride or die go-tos. This one goes out to the luxury flings that make every day feel like a special day. And then it says R.I.P. to the lipsticks we loved and lost. You were here for a good time, not a long time. And then shout out to the hair care essentials that speak our strands love language. So I thought that was cute because at least it's themed. So yes, Sephora for being themed.
So I was gonna pull this out first. This might be the bonus thing because it's a little.
It is.
Christophe Robin. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Mask fondant hydratant aloe vera.
This is hydrating melting mask with aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Yeah. Hydrate plump eliminate.
So. It says an ultra moisturizing hair mask that will deliver the love and hydration your strands have been longing for. But that's cool. But it's so tiny. I know. My daughter has really short hair, and it's like that would be perfect for her hair, is what she's thinking. Like very short.
Yeah, because it's like that much product. I mean, on shampoo, I wouldn't mind using so little, but like on conditioner, I like take that stuff on. Anyway, okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is Josie, is it Moran?
I would say Moran, I don't know.
I don't know why I don't know how to say that. 100% pure argan oil.
This is a certified organic multi-use oil that will moisturize your face, under eye area, hair, nails, and body, and essential in every beauty lover's collection.
I have some of it over there.
She likes oil, so oil's a good thing for her.
And then the next thing I'm pulling out is Lancome's Rose Sorbet Cryo Mask.
It says infused with cooling rose water, this soothing mask moisturizes skin while improving tone and texture.
And then the next thing I'm pulling out is Clinique's High Impact Mascara.
Actually, I feel like that one's pretty good for the most part. It says a coal black volumizing mascara that'll define and lengthen to make your heart and lashes soar.
I know, I have it in my purse.
I think I've got the mini and the full.
And then Peter Thomas Roth's Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer.
Say that 5 times fast. It says an innovative ultra moisturizing cream that'll leave your skin feeling like it's on cloud 9 for up to 72 hours.
Long time. And then the last thing, which is very tight in it,
so tiny,
is Kat Von D's Lock-It Setting Powder and Translucent.
It says this setting powder has a weightless formula that'll leave your complexion shine free, so it's safe to say it's a keeper.
I'm like, so tiny.
Let's see, like.
Yeah, so
like. I think I like everything. I don't like moisture, conditioners for hair because I feel like you already have conditioner using your shower.
Not as big as I like, but otherwise I like everything
else
that came in.
It was really good. I want to get Sephora again. So I might, since I'm not getting Birchbox anymore. Thank you guys for your support with that, by the way, too. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you know about all of our giveaways like the one we just did. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.